How to fix snap not sending on Snapchat in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Snapchat, and then on top left corner you can see your account. Now click on it, and then on top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on settings, and then scroll down, and here you can see the option clear data. Now click on clear data, and then in last you can see the option clear cache. Now click on it, and then click on clear. After clear your cache, then open your settings and click on general, and then click on iPhone storage. Now click on Snapchat. Now here you can offload your Snapchat app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.